Hi there. We're going to work on your home page now. So here's the dashboard page for home, and let's see what home looks like. I pulled out some of the modules, but anyway, so we've got a logo that we need, we've got the navigation bar, and we've got some tiny social icons up here. Those can be centered or left. I'm going to show you how to work on this area. This is called the homepage slider. Right now there's a couple different sliders in here. Down here I think it's image modules with some text. Same thing there. And those are pictures. Those are pictures with a background color. Okay, so we'll start with the slider. Click here in the gray bar. The first one is our company. Features is the button text. Here, we'll take a peek at that. Okay, our company features goes to a different website. But that can be a link to call to action for signing up or learn more, whatever you want to get your site visitors to do. Features is the button. Here, we'll change the button link. We'll send it to the programs page. Okay, so I took that URL. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to put in your programs link. Here's the large background picture. And then, oh, that doesn't work. There was a slide image. I'll show you how to do that. We can put a small picture in here also. So that might be too big, but we'll just see what it turns into. We're going to center it, I guess, and see what that looks like. Hit save. So we just saved our company slider. Save that, update the page, go back over here and refresh and see what we ended up with. Okay, well that looks dumb because I've got the orange and green flag. But this could be a nice picture if you adjusted where those flags are. I put those in based on the Outdoors for All. So I'm going to go in and take that picture out. Go to the slider. There's the edit bar. And I'm going to just delete that. Okay? And save. Now I'm going to go check this other slide, which is very generic. I'm going to pick the About page. Copy that link. And you don't need a URL or a button on all the pages. About page link. Actually, about page link. Okay? You can have a color. I think for you guys, you probably want pictures. So I'll get a big background picture. We'll do crystal with snow. Set this as the background. And then down here, you can also put in a video, which is neat. So over here, I've got a tab with, let's see, ski video. Okay, so I'm going to, I don't need to grab that. So I'm going to grab that share link, copy this, go back to the page, put the video here, and we can manage text color. The whole background could be a video too, but let's just not complicate it right now. Okay, save this, save that, update, and let's see if that looks okay. So we got green and orange, changed it to features. That goes to the program page. Go back. That next slide. See? So we've got a background image, a video, and over here it goes to the About page. Okay? It looks like there's a third slider in here, which I don't think there is. Oh, it just rolls down. Okay, so we've just done editing on 2 of your slider images. The next thing here, we've got images with some text. Okay, so that's called a blurb module. Let's just take a look. There's the title. Okay, title's right there. There's if you wanted to link it, it would open up, but we don't have a link there. You can have a little icon there if you want. Let's just see what that looks like. You can, here, we'll pick that. You can give it a color. Do you want it in a circle? Text color. Okay, and then there's this Latin text, right? And that's it. So we've got some text. Text orientation is centered. It's dark. I added an icon just so we can see what it looks like. They've got a bunch of them. I don't think you're going to need them, but we'll just take a peek. And then we save and update. And let's see what that looks like. Okay, so I took out the picture and added that little icon. Let's see, what's the other one? Let's look at this blurb. Title field, right? We could put in a URL. Here's the image. If you wanted to change the image, go back to the media library or to your computer. That's a lot. So we'll just leave what we've got, right? So I'm going to just close that. We've got that picture. We've got, we don't need an icon. We've got, oh, no text here. Okay, so I'm just going to put some text here so that it's evened out. Save that. We're going to update. We're going to go back over and see what it looks like. Okay, so I've got text that's not centered. See? Text that's centered. There's no image here, which is why we just have that. Or maybe that's just the default image. Let's go look. Okay, so it's just got that. It's a giant picture. Not too giant. Okay, and then if you want, I'm just going to say, you know what, I don't need that thing there. This is cool. You can hover over this. It's going to clone it. And then I'm just going to drag it over there. Okay? You can drag things around. Oops. Okay? I'm going to update and check my page. Okay? Here's where you want to make sure everything is consistent. You want capital letters. Do you want to justify left, right, or center? Little icons or pictures, things like that. I'm just going to take this out. Let's add another row that's maybe one of the call to actions. And there's a bunch of different ones, but let's just say call to action area here. And we'll give it a link to programs, right? So maybe this is a sign up for a newsletter. Yes, sign me up, something like that. Background color, you can choose different background colors. Okay, let's just make it green. Text color is light or dark. Let's center it, and you can add more text in the large text field, okay? And save that, update the page, come back over, refresh, and what does that look like? Okay, cool. Green, call to action here. Yes, sign me up. It takes me to that. But you can have it take them to a form page, a newsletter, blog, whatever. Okay, and then those can be different sizes. If you had, well, excuse me, if we added another row and made it 2/3, 1/3, you can just do this and drag it down here so you can see what different things look like. Oops, I meant to copy that. Clone it. Okay, so now we've got 3 bars that are all the same but different sizes. I'm going to refresh that page. Okay, so that gives you an idea. You can manage the size by removing or adding text. And so there's some homepage fun. Okay, hope that helps. Give me a call.